Now the last basic structure is what we call a monocline. So monocline, you should notice the prefix mono. Mono means one. So in a monocline, all of our beds are dipping in one direction. So our beds are simply just tilted. That's all they are. So if you notice, all of our beds here are dipping in the same direction. And hopefully you notice that our older beds are dipping towards our younger beds. So this is actually a standard rule, and you could apply this rule to all of these structures, and that rule is the oldest beds always dip towards younger. So when you're going to be drawing these in your homework, you can, if you remember this rule, and the more you start drawing these things, you're going to see this rule. This is always going to help you, right? Figure out what kind of structures you have. Let's go back here to our monocline. So again, in our monocline, our beds are just simply tilted, and they're all dipping in one direction. So let's draw our strike and dip. You notice there's no repeating units here. That's how we identify this. And hopefully we notice all of our beds are dipping towards the right, so my little hash marks are going to go all to the right. So in a monocline, all of our beds are dipping in the same direction.